Alright, so this is going to be a video of this 42-inch white Hampton Bay Glendale ceiling fan. This was purchased at Home Depot in October of this year when my grandpa got it. This was installed last Saturday. My dad actually installed this in my room. And I finally got it installed. It replaced a 54-inch brushed nickel Hampton Bay side winder ceiling fan. And the reason why it was replaced is because it was noisy and it didn't really fit well in my room, so we had to take that down, and well, finally got this installed. And I think it looks really cool. It is a little shaky on higher settings, but it still blows a great amount of air, I heard. So now I'm going to pick up the phone and I'll give you guys a closer look at it. Alright, so here it is. It's a very nice ceiling fan. I got these pole chains. They're not original. I think they look pretty nice on this fan. And as you guys probably are aware of, this is my newest Hampton Bay ceiling fan. And this is probably the most quietest Hampton Bay ceiling fan that I own, believe it or not. It's got 3 lights. I can't see this through this dust. Could I? I'm gonna turn on the lamp. There we go. That's better. All right. It's got 3 lights, and it's a nice fan. It's got reversible bleached oak blades to white blades. Can't really see them though. This is the top of it. It's on a down rod. I'll show you guys the other side of the blades. It's got reversible bleached oak blades to white blades. There's the top of it. It's on a down rod. It's got 3 lights. It's got a 3-way light fixture. So yeah. And there's the top of it. It is on a down rod. So I'm going to put down the phone now, and I'll give you guys a demonstration of this fan. All right, here's the light. As you can see, all the bulbs are functional. Here's low. The ceiling fan's pretty quiet, actually. It's not noisy like the Landmark is. The Landmark is the noisiest one of all. You can feel a little bit of an air movement it makes. It keeps me comfortable tonight when I'm asleep. Alright, here's medium. It starts to shake on the highest setting. But you know, it's not too bad. And I'm not gonna turn on high because I really don't like when this one's shaky. Just to be a precaution, because if my fan falls, then it'll probably kill me. But it moves a good amount of air on medium. My dad's really paranoid about fan wobbles, so paranoid about fan when it's shaky. So I'm not gonna turn it on high. But I'll turn it back off so that. I like it on low speed. I'll go ahead and stop it. So there you go. That is the 42-inch white Hampton by Glendale ceiling fan. Hope you enjoyed.